Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an exciting video, ideas on how to organize your kitchen. Please subscribe to Joy of Being a Homemaker and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any notification whenever I upload a video. The first thing I am going to show you is the sink area organization. This is my under the sink cabinet. I organized it according to my needs. And for under the sink area, on this door, I have a hanging double-tiered rack from Amazon. I'll leave the links to all the products I mentioned in the video in the description box below. I keep my Method all-purpose cleaner, my dish sponges, cooktop cleaner, and a bottle brush in this. These are the things I reach for more often, so I try to keep them handy. And now coming to the other side, rather than hanging my towel somewhere else, I got this over-the-door hanger from TJ Maxx. I hang the towel on this rod so that it looks organized and functional. And the other thing I would like to show you is this orange file organizer in which I keep all my extra supplies. I got this organizer from Dollar Tree office supply section. And the final thing from the under the sink organization is this plastic bag dispenser from Walmart. The Walmart ones is so deep and you can fit a lot of bags in this when compared to IKEA ones. I keep all my plastic wrap, aluminum foils and ziplocs in this over the cabinet holder. By having them stored in this, they will be out of the way and we can maximize the storage space. And the next thing are these bins from Dollar Tree. I use them to store my spoons, forks and clips. I like them because you can store and organize them in any way you like. And you can pop them in the dishwasher if you like to clean them. And they come in 3 different sizes, small, medium and big. And I also use the big ones for organizing my tea strainers and for other big kitchen gadgets. And the good thing is they come with the grippers in the bottom, so when you place them inside the drawer, it doesn't move from their place. And the next thing is this plate organizer. I got this from India a year back, and you can find them in the dollar store as well. Mine is a large one. You can organize a lot of plates in this. The front portion of it has place to organize small plates, and the middle part for medium-sized ones, and the back part for bigger ones. I'll try to find the link for this product and leave the link in the description box below. And the next thing are these mason jars. I use mason jars to store all my dry goods. They keep all the dry goods fresh and their uniform size makes them fit together well. I use 2 different sizes in my kitchen. They come in a set of 6 or 12. Mason jars are strong, versatile, easy to clean, and they are see-through. And above all, they are plastic free. So I like mason jars for organizing in my kitchen. And the next thing is the stackable bins from Dollar Tree. I use these bins in different parts of my house. In my kitchen, I use them to organize my son's plates, cups and glasses. They are very sturdy. I have been using them from 4 years. And the final thing are the silicone lids. They serve a practical purpose of covering your bowls and cookware in the microwave or on the stove. You can use them to prevent splatters while cooking or place over the food in the fridge to keep it fresh. They come with suction and you can even cover steel bowls with this. And I accidentally broke the lid of my canister, and I have been using this silicone lid for over a month, and it served the purpose totally. Thank you all for watching. If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up and please don't forget to subscribe.